I thought today I'll just show you how I would convert a V1 dashboard or report into a V2 one. I've gone here to a V1 dashboard. We can see it's starting to look a little bit old and old in the tooth. And I'm allowed to say that because I wrote this originally. But I'm just going to use my favorite screen capture tool and say I want to recreate this in V2, this little bit over there. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard. Then I go to V2. And now I'm going to go and create a new dashboard. And I'll start with a blank one. Now, here is the only tricky bit, right? So I know that I need the sales data to calculate these little widgets. Now, if you already have pre-made data sources in V1, they should show up in here as well, even custom data sources, or we did manual merging. So you can see, here's my thing from a merging demo. You can use these directly, and then you'll know you'll have the right data available. So I'm going to grab that, and then I'm going to just use the AI widget. You can recreate the charts, but I'm trying to show here how easy it is from a screenshot to just recreate things. So in here, you got to remember that to have all the different data available. Now the V1 had product category in there, and you need to be able to work out profit. So I just got to make sure that I add the columns in here out of that data source that is needed. So I mean, for I think I'm going to need all these amounts, to be able to work out the, you need the product cost and the product price. Actually, I don't need those necessarily. I need if I have the price and the cost, I can work out the profit, right? And we wanted the product category, so I'll put that in there. And yeah, I think that is kind of it. So I'm going to add those columns. So now they're all available here. I can click here on the table button and see that it has all the information in there that I need. So product cost, product price, and the quantity is there. Yeah, that's everything we need, right, to be able to work this out. And there's the categories. Okay, so now I am just going to go AI Designer, and I'm saying I'm converting this V1 dashboard to V2. Can you recreate this for me, but make it look a lot better in layout and look and feel, please? And then I just go Control V, and it puts that image in there. See if I click on that, there you can see. And yeah, let's click and let it go. And so in a few minutes, hopefully we come back and it's all done.
A few moments later.
Okay, and there it is. So let's see what it is created here. There you go. So you can see like it is just built this. It's got two little KPIs and the same little chart that I want. Now, obviously now I can ask it to change the colors and make it really how I want, but in basic terms, well, that took me less than a minute. So pretty easy. If you have something that is a lot more complicated, just contact us. Our support people are happy to help you with this, or work with some of the more complicated things, or if the data is a bit more complicated. But, in principle, it should be pretty quick and easy to do.